It is well known that more than 50% of the population lives in rural areas. Hence, rural livelihood, rural development, food security, economic stability, and related challenges like labor shortages, poor working conditions, minimum wages, less productivity, all occurs to us in no time. So one has to understand why such challenges are faced by the agricultural sector. And we shall try to understand the problems focusing agricultural labor, as understanding of such problems can help the society to find out measures and also the government to frame policies for the benefit of people living in the rural areas. So let us begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Egypt Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing our series for all the 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered on our website, and that will prepare you for your CBSE as well as CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to subscribe it and share it with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook page. Now let's get started. So far as agricultural labor is concerned, they are the most exploited and unorganized class in the rural population of the country. From the very beginning, landlords exploited them for their benefit, converted some of them as bonded laborers, and forced to continue the system generation after generation. This led to their deplorable condition, though their situation improved marginally after independence, but they remained unorganized and economic exploitation continued. Total number of workers increased from 55.4 million in 1981 to 74.6 million in 1991. Nearly 68% of the workforce is engaged in agriculture and has created the problem of surplus labor or disguised unemployment, which in turn is pushing their wage rate much below the subsistence level. There exists excessive population pressure, due to which there has been pressure on land, water, and biological resources. Hence, the requirement of food, fiber, and fuel to population cannot be met. So, agricultural productivity is in inverse proportion to the number of people engaged in it, resulting in low productivity. Agricultural sector, though experienced green revolution, but its gains could not take care of achieving higher living standards, as the farmers are mostly uneducated and does not have access to best practices in agronomy. So unfortunately, 58% of the total workforce is dependent on agriculture, and 46% of agricultural workers are agricultural laborers whose incomes are very low. So a typical Indian farmer who has to work on an uneconomic holding is a perennial debtor. As a result, 48.6% of rural households were indebted. So the economy is neither able to increase the productivity nor could shift them to non-farm sector. To learn more, Visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.